Good afternoon. This is my oral presentation where I will tell you about introduce myself, talk about my trip experience in Medellin, the weather in Medellin, recommendations if you go to Medellin. Let's start with myself. I am Aida Ortiz. I was born in Honda and I live in Honda. I am a business administration student. I am single. I live with my mom and my dad. I like to share with my family, listen to music, and relax at home. Now let's go to infographics. Medellin, ideal place to go holidaying family. In the holidays I went to Medellin. I stayed 50 days and went with my family. I liked it a lot because I was able to visit many places. For example, I went to the Weather Museum and to Rio Negro to Chuchucan. It is a very nice place. I wanted to go to El Peñol, but it was after 2 weeks I returned because I was starting to go. The weather was changeable, some sunny days, others cool, others cloudy, and the nights are cold and breezy. Recommendations about what you can do in Medellin. People should visit the cultural studies of the city. People should visit Chuchucan with the whole family. People should ride on the metro cable to have a better view of the city. People should take their children to movies. People should visit the city zoo. People should walk the weekend of the park barefoot. People should visit the city for the flower fair. People should visit the botanical garden of the city. Things you should not do in Medellin. People should not hang out places. People should not wear jewelry. People should not go without a jacket at night. People should not neglect children. People should not visit the city in high season. People should not visit the communes of Medellin. People should not climb the metro cable if they are afraid of heights. People should not go without an umbrella in the rainy season. Okay, thank you.